Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video tutorial I will be showing you how to cut basswood with your Cricut Maker. And before I begin, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do, and don't forget to click that notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to check out my website www.zhannastar.com, where I sell the cutest little handmade items. All right, thank you. Bye.